but I don't. They have to have their 95 though.
Huh?
They have to have their 95.
Okay. We are now in Sitka, Alaska. Huh?
Good morning, sir.
I know.
Good day. Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Let's walk over there. I'll take pictures here.
You're going to town?
Oh, look at that. And this is Carnival. Mga worker yan. But I have to take a Carnival. Hey, ano? Wow. Yeah, hindi. It's not that cold, but it's windy. Oh, these people are going to Carnival, eh? Those are Carnival. I said they're from Carnival. I'm just taking picture, me. Ano ba tong taong tong? Yeah, okay, that's it. Huh? Yeah. But the spirit is very small. Look at the spirit. There's a spirit. No, this is not the spirit. This is Norwegian sun.